Okay, this problem says, use the data in the following table which summarizes results from 62 pedestrian deaths that were caused by accidents. If two different deaths are randomly selected without replacement, find the probability that they both involved intoxicated drivers. So the intoxicated drivers, if they were intoxicated, is represented by this row. Okay, intoxicated driver, yes. So it takes up that row. The denominator is 62 because the question says a total of 62 pedestrians. And they're going to pick two. If you pick two names or two social security numbers on people that died or whatever the case may be, you're going to pick two numbers. This is kind of like the question we had with the CDs. In that question we picked 8 and there was 8 marks. Here there's 2. And we're going to multiply them together because it's the multiplicative law. It's using the word, or it's using the word that says they both involved intoxicated drivers. So the intoxicated drivers is going to be 31 plus 13, which is 44. The total is 62. Now once we pick the first one, it's kind of like the bag of marbles. You put it in your pocket, you don't put that marble back in there, so you don't put these two names, or this name that was picked out, you don't put it back in the hat. So the next one would be 43 over 61. And now you can multiply these two together, and what you'll come out with is a very, I think it comes out to be 0.5003, if my calculations are correct. And that is your probability. So if you put all these social security numbers or names or distinctions on how they were in the accident, whether a pedestrian or intoxicated or whether the driver is intoxicated, if you picked out 2, what is the probability that you would pick out 2 that were the result of a driver being intoxicated? And your answer is 0.5 probability.